Alright, boys and girls, so when you're finished painting your palette sticks, they should be looking like this. Alright, with different colors all on the other sides. On both sides, you would have different colors, and then some of them would have two of the same colors. Alright, so when you're finished painting your palette sticks and they are dried, we are now going to get ready to play the game. Now, you can play this game with either your mommy and daddy. So you're going to share the palette sticks equally between both of you. Alright, so if we have 20 palette sticks, that means you have to get 10 palette sticks and mommy or daddy have to get 10 palette sticks. Alright, so what you're going to do, you're going to turn them over so that you don't see the colors. Alright, so you're going to turn over all the palette sticks so that you don't see the colors. Alright, turn them over, turn them over. Turn them over, and then you are going to take 10 for yourselves. So you are going to count 10 palette sticks for yourselves. Alright, and mommy or daddy is going to count 10 palette sticks for himself or herself. So you are going to take 10 and give mommy and daddy 10. So what you can do, you can mix them up, mix them up, mix them up, mix them up all the way around. Alright, and when you finish mixing them up, you take 10. So you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so you have 10 and mommy or daddy have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you have your 10 on this side. Alright, so for us to play this domino game, what we are going to do, you are now going to turn over one of your domino and put it on the table. Alright, so when you turn over one of your domino and you put it on the table, you say yellow. So mommy and daddy now has to look at their domino cards, their domino sticks, and see if they have any sticks with yellow. Alright, so then mommy or daddy can either take this yellow here and match it on this stick here like that. Alright, now you have to either match a blue or a yellow. Alright, so you're going to turn over your sticks. So we are matching the colors that are on the domino sticks. Alright, so you are now going to match. Look and see if you have any blue. Alright, look at your sticks and see if you have any blue. So yes, we have blue here. So we have blue on blue. So we're going to match like this. Alright, and we're going to create a pattern. So now mommy or daddy has to either get blue or yellow to match. So let's look at their own. Alright, so we can take this one and we can match blue. Alright, so when we put the blue there, now you have to either get a yellow or orange. So look at your sticks now, and you can take a yellow here, a yellow here, and match across this way. So now mommy or daddy has to either match red or orange. So let's look at their cards and see. Alright, so we can have here red and purple. So we can put it any direction you want to put it in. So now you have to match either purple or orange. Look at your sticks again. Take a purple and you're going to match your purple here. Right. So now mommy or daddy has to match either orange or orange on this side. So let's try this one here. Take this orange with the yellow and we're going to match it this way. Alright, nice. So now you have to either match yellow or orange. So look at your dominoes again, see if you have yellow or orange. So we can take a yellow with purple here and add it on. So we match there. Right? So mommy or daddy either has to get now purple or orange. So they're going to look at their dominoes there. Alright? And see that they have purple with blue. So then they can match their purple and blue there. Alright, so now you have to look at to see if you have blue or orange. Do you have any blue or orange? So we have orange here. So we can put this orange here. Alright, and if you look at the pattern that we're making, look at the pattern that we're making on the table. So now mommy or daddy has to either get yellow or blue. Yellow or blue. So the breeze is blowing my dominoes. So now let's look at mommy, or let's look at these cards here. Do any of them have yellow? Are you seeing yellow on any of them? No. So then they won't have any yellow to match here. So then they will have to match blue on this side. So you'll need to get blue to match on this side. Alright, so now you have to match either yellow or red. You have to match either yellow or red. So you look at your dominoes, look at the colors that you have on your sticks, and you can either put a red one here. Now again, mommy or daddy has to either match yellow, they have to either match red or yellow. So again, look at the dominoes here. Are you seeing any yellow? So what do they need to match? They need to match the red. So red will come on